Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder, as always, that Walter and I will be live on the air this afternoon, Sunday, October the 1st. Yeah, almost said September. October the 1st, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What's the topic today? Well, we've done a lot of different things this week. And the highlight of the week was probably the fact that we went on a shop hop yesterday. And we also had a friend come out to visit us, and we'll talk more about that. And if you've been keeping up with my videos, you probably already know about that. And then we have, looking at your comments in the past week. There's been some interesting discussions based upon what I've posted in the last week. So we're going to deal with those as well. And of course, you know us. We'll go off on a tangent somewhere, all based upon what you have to say in the chat. So join us today, 4 p.m., October the 1st, Eastern Standard Time, Sunday. Okay, that's a bit mixed up, isn't it? That's for those of you that might have a learning disability. Let's try it again, shall we? Today, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, October the 1st, which is Sunday at 20. Never mind, you know what I mean. See you later.